Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I created this look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe so that way you guys don't miss any future videos. And yeah, I think today's intro is going to be one of the shortest ones because I did all of the other talking throughout the video. So have a great day, night, whatever it is, and keep on watching. I'm going into my eyes, so let's go in. I got some fun new palettes, and I think I'm gonna grab my hair real quick. For our eyes, we're going to just go in and start off priming them. You guys already know this step. It's a must for me, and this actually holds my makeup so well, and it makes sure that my eye is not oily. I'm so excited. I bought two palettes. I went to Morphe and I got the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I am so excited and so in love with the shades already. Like, the amount that you can create with it, it is outstanding. We're going to use this Morphe brush in M504. Apply the first top shade just pretty much all over the inner corner up to the brow bone to start highlighting. Next, I'm going to use this shade right here with the same brush and apply it to my crease as my first transition shade. And this shade is so smooth. It's like the perfect transition shade. I really feel like it. I'm going to grab this brush from Luxie. It's a 249 brush, and I'm grabbing this end and using this yellow mustardy shade. I'm going to apply it onto my crease. The next shade I'm using will be this like brick color up here, this one. And I'm using this Glamour Dolls brush, applying it on the outside. Oh yeah. And blend it up to my crease. I'm using really circular motions to get that blended. This is such a pretty shade, I swear. Like, just gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do actually is I'm going to bring that same orange shade all the way in here. We're gonna do a fun look that I've been seeing all over the place. So now that we have that, I'm gonna grab a concealer brush and back to this MAC Painterly paint pot and apply just some down the center of my eye. Once I've done that, I'm going to grab this shimmery light shade down here from the palette and apply it all on there. Going back in with this brush that I was using, I'm going to just blend out the edges. To make this eye pop a little bit more, I want to use this NYX white liquid liner. It looks like this, and apply just a little line on top. Now to add a bit more pop of color, just because it's catching my attention, I'm going to use this shade. Such a pretty color. And we're going to apply it underneath our lash line. I'm going in and curling my lashes and applying mascara. I'm using the Total Temptation from Maybelline, their waterproof formula, because this one actually holds my lashes up. So since I went to Generation Beauty this last weekend, I bought some lashes. I have never tried Lilly Lashes. I've been wanting to try them. So I actually bought 2 pairs. I'm going to use one of them today, and it is the ones in Mykonos. And they are the Glamour ones, the Glamour Lashes. So I'm excited to try those. Okay, so I'm back. It took me a hot minute to get these lashes on. They are on and they are gorgeous. They're super lightweight and they feel amazing actually. So far, so good. To finish off this look, I gotta go ahead and put on some lip product. Gonna line these lips with the Gerard Cosmetics lip liner in Underground. So this is the final look. It is very fun and popping. You can always do a lot more things. Might want to add freckles maybe. You guys see that? You guys are welcome to add it. I don't know if I like it or not. I'm going to pat it in with the Beauty Blender to kind of blend this in. So that step you guys don't have to do. I did it because it seemed like a fun thing to try. One last thing, setting. I'm using the Morphe setting mist. First time, so let's see. That feels amazing. Anyways guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos that will be coming up. And stay tuned because a lot of things are coming your way. Yes, that is it. I will see you all on my next video. Bye guys.